So this is a really easy dish to whip up in 10 minutes or less if you're feeling tired, a little bit lazy, or you just want something really quick and easy and delicious. This was a dish that our dad used to make a lot of the times when he got home from the restaurant really late at night. He doesn't have a ton of time to cook, but he could definitely stir fry and cook up some noodles with some veg really quickly with whatever we had on hand. So this is kuai mian, or flash noodles. So we are going to be using pre-packaged hand-cut noodles. These are super delicious and really chewy and hold a lot of the saucy flavor really well in the ridges, but you can use whichever noodles that you like for this dish. Whatever you have on hand really works. All right, so our water is boiling. We're ready to pop our noodles in. All right, so now we're gonna prep our aromatics. We got a quarter of an onion and a whole head of garlic, because honestly, you can never have enough garlic in any dish. If garlic prevents vampires, we will definitely be safe. It also adds a ton of flavor and depth to any dish that you're making. All right, so now we are going to cook up our aromatics, get our pan to medium-high heat, add some neutral cooking oil. Our garlic is just about golden brown, so let's start adding our sauces. All right, so we're gonna add in a little bit of sesame oil. I'm using hot sesame oil, but you can use whichever you like. Some black rice vinegar for a little bit of acidity. And some soy sauce. And our noodles. Turn your heat to low because you want your noodles to just gently cook with the sauces. You don't want them to get overcooked. And then we're gonna add a little bit of doubanjiang, which is a chili bean sauce. It's very umami, it's very delicious, a little bit spicy. And then some of our homemade chili oil. We have this recipe on our YouTube channel as well as Reels. All right, so our noodles are ready to go, but we're gonna add a little bit of Asian veggies for health. So we're rolling with scallion, which I love adding to any dish. It has a nice little crunch to it. So I'm just gonna blanch these and remove, add it to my noodle bowl. All right, so our veggies are done. We got some health in our dish, and now we're just gonna add our toppings. We got some scallions, fried onions, and a little bit more of Aunt June's chili oil. All right, let's take a bite. Honestly, some of my favorite noodles, and they're so easy to whip up. It's a spicy, umami, savory, flavorful bite. And with these noodles, they really collect all of the sauces in their ridges and folds. The way we made this today is actually vegan, but you can add whatever you like to this dish. You can add eggs, meat, whatever you have on hand. This dish really goes with anything, and it's super flexible. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you would put on your garlic chili oil noodles. Until next time.